Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Civil channel. From today, we're going to discuss about transportation engineering and the syllabus is according to the diploma in civil engineering according to Karnataka state syllabus. So the first unit is highway engineering. So transportation is the movement of humans, animals and goods from one location to another. So if transportation doesn't exist, it would have been very difficult to transport anything, people or goods, anything from one place to another. So the role and importance of transportation. Transportation contributes to the economic, industrial, social, and cultural development of a country. Transportation of country is comparable to the veins in the human body. Just as veins in the human body maintain health by circulation of blood to the different parts of the body, similarly, transportation keep the health of nation in good condition by keeping the goods and people moving from one place to another place. Thus, transportation is vital or it is important for the all-round development of a nation, since every community needs transport facility both at the production stage as well as distribution stage. The inadequate transportation facilities reduces or decreases the process of socio-economic development of country. The adequacy of transportation system of a country indicates its economic and social development. Only with the improvement in transportation facilities in rural areas, there would be faster development of rural areas. So, the importance of transportation. Commodity needs transportation from production to distribution. Inadequate transportation retard the process of socio-economic development of country, improves the living standard of the country, it improves the defense activities of the country, it helps to improve science and technology, it helps in industrial development throughout the country, the improve the land value, the helps in tourism development, it is essential for rushing aids to area affected by an emergency, it is essential to maintain the law and order in the country, enhances the import and export of the country. Different modes of transportations. Human beings has always remained surrounded by the three basic mediums known as land, water, and air. Thus, the modes of transportation are also connected with these three mediums. Thus, there are four different modes of transportation as follows. That's roadways, railways, waterways, and airways. Roadways are the means of transportation on land. Transportation by road is only the mode which give maximum service to one and all. This mode of transportation has maximum flexibility for travel with respect to route, direction time and speed of travel, etc. It also possible to provide door-to-door service by this mode of transportation only. The next is railways. Railways are the steel tracks laid on the ground over which the rail moves. Railways have been developed both for long as well as for short distances and for urban travels. It provides transportation facilities to carry large volume of goods and passengers over long distance with safety and comfort. The disadvantage of this mode of transportation is large amount of initial investment and land necessary to create the network. The next is water transportation. This mode of transportation includes oceans, rivers, canals, and lake for the movement of ships and boats. In this system, ships and boats are used to transport men and material, of course, women too. Transportation by this system is possible between the ports on the sea route or along the rivers or canals wherever inland navigation facilities are available. The speed of the system is the lowest among the four modes of transportation system. Waterways are used where time is not much important. These modes are more economical compared to other three. The next and last is air transportation, airways. Aircraft and helicopters are the airways. Air system of transportation is the fastest and provides more comfort apart from saving time in transportation of men and material, but is costliest among all the four systems mentioned earlier. So the characteristics of road transport. It can be used by all type of vehicles. It is the nearest mode of transportation to the public. It serves the remotest isolated villages. It offers flexibility. It requires small investment and maintenance cost. It saves time of travel, especially for short distances. During war, these road networks is an asset to defense our nation. If there is a good network of road in a country, better law and order can be maintained. The next is advantages or benefits of good transportation. They help in growth of trade and other economical activities. They are essential for defense of a country. They facilitate communication on load. They are the mode of transportation to communicate the regions of high altitudes. They help in price stabilization of commodities due to mobility of products all over the country. They help in cultural and social ties among people living in different parts. They help in enhancing the land value. They provide more employment opportunities. They serve as a feeder for airways, waterways, and railways. They help in maintaining the better law and order in a country. Comparison between road transportation and rail transportation. In roadways, accident rate is more compared to railways. In roadways, cost of construction less compared to railways. Suitable as per the needs of the customer in roadways, whereas railways can provide, of course, they'll provide service, but not as like roadways. Where in roadways provide door-to-door service, where which is not possible in railways. Roadways is used by different types of vehicles such as buses, trucks, motors, rickshaws, cycles, lorries, etc. But railways are reserved only for the movement of trains, that's rails. Width or right of way required more in case of roadways, but width or right of way required less in case of railways compared to roadways. Cost of transportation is more in roadways compared to railways. Employment potential is high in roadways compared to railways. Roadways is suitable for hilly areas, which is not in the case of railways. Maintenance cost is less in roadways compared to railways. So, I hope I have explained enough. So, if you have any doubts, please drop it in the comment box. If I have made any mistake, please don't mind. Let me know in the comment box. So, let's meet in the next video of the next topic. Until then, see you. Bye bye.